So now, we'll start with the first bout of the press conference and the pro card. So we have Anubhav Kashyap from the blue corner. Guys, please give it a hand to Anubhav Kashyap. And now, his opponent, walking out of the red corner, we have Rehan Rizvi. Come on, LPU, give it a hand. Firstly, guys, how you are feeling? The LPU is watching you. You've seen the university. You've seen the people. How you feel it? I want to ask you first. You go ahead and tell us कि कैसा लग रहा है?
तो काफ़ी एक्साइटमेंट है बहुत टाइम बाद लाइक संजीवन सर आई एम वेरी ग्रेटफुल टू हिम दैट ही गेव मी दिस चांस आई हैड मिस्ड आउट बिफोर इन द माय प्रो डेब्यू विद WDS but I'm back thanks to Sanjeevan sir and Warrior Dream series I'm here and it's gonna be a banger for sure.
Definitely, definitely. And what about Anubhav? How you think?
कैसा है पंजाब?
Guys, Punjab.
पंजाब शांत है थोड़ा. कल वाइल्ड होगा. कल मजा आएगा आपको लोग को देखने के लिए. तो प्लीज आइए और देखिएगा.
Definitely, definitely. Guys, I want to ask the audience if anyone wants to ask the questions to the fighters, please. You can raise your hands, the mic will reach up to you. Okay, hi, yes. Yeah, go ahead, go ahead.
Hello, hello, Anubhav.
Yeah, he's listening, go ahead.
You won your last fight at WDS against Sandeep Baghel, and you dominated the fight. That earned you a shot at WDS 16. How do you feel about that?
फील कुछ नहीं हो रहा है, बस मारना है. और कल आपको वाइल्ड दिखेगा. ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं है.
Yeah, go ahead. Hello. Yeah, go ahead.
My question is for Rehan. You finally have a chance to fight at Warriors Dream Series. How do you feel about that?
Share in my first statement that I'm very grateful and एक बात है कि लाइक बहुत टाइम बाद चांस मिला है तो भाई वॉर बोल रहा है तो वॉर देंगे भाई को कोई टेंशन नहीं उस चीज़ की.
Definitely, we want to see the war tomorrow, right? Sir, it's been a very long journey till now. So definitely you have to think about the particular fight, how this fight will look like or how he's going to put up the show. What was the reason about this matchup?
So the actual reason behind this bout was I know both of the fighters' background. Anubhav is coming back, coming from the gym, which is like more into the jiu-jitsu. And Rehan is coming from the gym, which the fighters are all-rounder, like they're more of the wrestlers. So this is going to be war on the ground. One guy is going to try take him down, and the other guys try to pull submission back to back. So we'll get to see, a lot of ground game in this fight.
Right. This is very wrong to ask you, but I still wanted to ask you, you have been into a striking structure, also striking background, also a BJJ background. So, what should be what elements makes the fighter as an MMA fighter, not just a BJJ or a striker fighter?
It's all up to the training partners, the coach, the surrounding he gets. I mean, if you are with the right team and the good gym, definitely you will improve very fast. So it's all about the training you are training with, the team you are training with.
Right. So Anubhav, there is any changes you have made with your strategy for this particular game?
मैं जिजित्सु नहीं, मैं पूरा मिक्स मार्शल आर्ट खेलता हूँ, तो इसलिए स्ट्राइकिंग में दिखेगा. ओके?
So can we see a knockout tomorrow?
ये तो सरप्राइज है ना. पैसा खर्चा करिए.
Definitely. I want to ask you same about this. There is any particular thing you have prepped for that Anubhav?
I have a lot of things in my arsenal. I have very much surprises for him. I don't want to show it right now. I don't want to talk about it. I don't want to talk shit about it. I am really interested for tomorrow. Let's give it a surprise for people and him also.
So I think tomorrow I can see one of you falling, right?
Might be.
ठीक है. I thank you so much, both of you. I would request you to go back to this backstage. Guys, go ahead, give it a hand.